This is a brand new 2015 BMW X5. This crossover has an automatic transmission, a 3.0-liter inline 6-cylinder engine, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include the Premium Package, a cold weather package, the Driver Assistance Package, Comfort Access, a heated steering wheel, commercial-free satellite radio, Dakota leather upholstery, roof rails, and a backup camera. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, a head-up display, BMW individual composition, and the heated second-row seats can warm your passengers up in seconds, keeping them comfortable the whole trip. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.
Thank you for considering Classic BMW, your BMW destination for your next new or pre-owned luxury vehicle. For additional information, please visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership located at Spring Creek in the Tollway in Plano. We look forward to serving you.